really fantastic. I enjoyed it. Personally, it's amazing for me to see that the actors were also playing the instruments. So that's not very common where I'm from. It's really awesome. Good job, guys, and break a leg on your tour.
And Theatre and all, Eye of the Storm was one of the most popular events by far.